So often in Photoshop you will want to remove the background from an image, and to do this we use the quick selection tool or the magic wand tool, which you can find over here on the toolbar on the left. You'll notice initially that if you hover over the tool it tells you have the quick selection tool. If you click and hold it you get the option of the magic wand tool. Now they work in slightly different ways. With the quick selection tool you simply brush over the area that you want to remove and press delete and it will rub it out. The magic wand tool, very similar, except you click on the area that you don't want to see. It will then select all of the matching color in the background, and you can remove that. Generally, magic wand is a little bit quicker, but if you have a background made up of lots of different colors, then quick selection tends to be the way to go, because magic wand relies on selecting all of a matching color. And then you can just keep working your way around the whole of the image until you have removed any of the background that you don't want. You might notice here that the quick selection tool has accidentally selected a part of the flower, which we'd actually like to keep. So what we can do is we can go up to the top here and we can turn our brush from plus to minus and then just rub over the part of the picture that we actually want to keep, and it will remove that selection so that we don't lose anything that we want. To get into some of the slightly more difficult editing here, we've got a big brush and we've got a smaller area that we need to get into. So we can first of all zoom in, which we can do by doing Control Plus. That will make it a little bit bigger for us. And we can also change the size of the brush, drag that right down so the brush is now smaller than the area we need to fit it into, so we won't accidentally select the hand, and we can then also start getting in between the petals as well.